Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open a document from Files and tap the file name to open and preview. Preview shows PDFs, images, and screenshots without extra apps. Use one finger to tap menus and two fingers to pinch to zoom to 200% for detail. Swipe left or right to move between pages or images quickly. Tap the thumbnail icon at the top to jump to any page. Use the back button to return to Files when finished viewing. Tap the markup pen icon to access pens, highlighter, and text tools for quick edits. Choose a pen tip, then draw directly with your finger or Apple Pencil for precise lines. Tap the text button and use 3 taps to enter text, then 2 taps to resize and drag to move it. Use the signature button to add or draw a signature with your finger in under 10 seconds. Tap Done to save your markup changes to the file immediately. Tap the share icon to export the document as PDF or image quickly. Choose Save to Files to keep an editable copy, or select Mail, Messages, or AirDrop to send instantly. Use the Edit button to rotate, crop, or reorder pages before saving a copy. Choose Reduce File Size if you need a smaller file for email delivery. Tap Duplicate to create a separate version when you want to keep the original unchanged. Your changes saved to the file immediately after tapping Done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.